Today we will continue to explain how to use the BOCHU remote control. W counterclockwise, the track rotates counterclockwise. W clockwise, the track rotates clockwise. Z button, the cutting head moves down. Z just, cutting head moves up. Left, right click, move beam to the left, move to the right. Up, down, bottom, Y-axis moves back and forth. Hold fast, then click up, down, left and right to achieve the purchase of faster movement. Step, set the step distance. 90 degrees. Press and hold step to remote the track. Rotate 19 degrees. The return 0 button of the remote control needs to be matched with Fn. Press and hold on the Fn plus 0 button.